Dear students, today we will do question number 8 of exercise 12.3. In this question, we are given a track, a sports track, which is made up of two semicircular ring on the end, and they are joined with rectangular track in the middle. The width between the two parallel lines is 60 centimeter and the width of the ring is 10 centimeter. We are required to find the distance around the track, the inner track, and the area of the whole track. So children, let us see here. We are given that the distance between the two inner parallel line is 60 centimeter and the width of this track is 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter we have the width this side and 10 centimeter this side. Therefore, the total diameter of the outer circle, the total diameter of this outer circle is equal to 80. 60 plus this 10 plus this 10. So this is 80 centimeter and therefore the radius is equal to 40 centimeter. The radius is 40 centimeter. And similarly, if you find the radius of this inner circle, the distance is 60 centimeter. This is only the diameter of the smaller circle. Therefore, the radius is equal to 30 centimeter. Now, we have to find out the length of the inner edge. So, if you want to find out the length of the inner track, that means children, you will move from this straight line, will move in circular line here, and then you will move in a straight line. Again a circular end is there. So two circular ends are there and one straight line of 106 centimeter this side and 106 meter this side. So children, the total track is made up of semicircle this side and semicircle this side. So if you add the two semicircle, you will get one complete circle. So that means this is made up of two times the length of the semicircle. That means we can say that this is equal to complete circle or 2 pi r, and 106 meter this side, 106 meter this side. So it is 2 into 106. So when you add the 2, it is 212 plus 2 pi r. Fill in the values and you will get that this is equal to 212 plus 1320 upon 7. Take LCM to add them up, and therefore it is 2804 centimeter, the total length of the track. I hope the unit is given in meter, so make it meter. Okay children, so everywhere it should be meter as the units are given in meter. So this is meter, 10 meter, 60 meter and so on. Now we have to find out the whole area of this track. We have to find out the whole area of this track. If we want to find out the area of this track, children, you want to find out the area of this track. So area of the track is made up of two rectangles. One rectangle this side, this is one rectangle, and this is another rectangle. So there are two rectangles and half ring this side and half ring this side. So if you combine, you will get the full ring and two rectangles. These two when will be added will give you the area of the whole track. So to get the area of the track, it will be equal to area of the ring, okay, and two rectangle. I hope all of you understand what is ring. Ring is this area, the area enclosed between two circles. This is ring. So half of this is attached this side and half of this is attached this side. That makes that the area of the complete ring. And one rectangle here, the other rectangle here. The length of the rectangle is 106 and width is given equal to 10 meter. So let's find out the area of the track. So to get the area of the track, children, we have to add the area of the two rectangles plus area of the ring. So area of the rectangle is length into width. Length is 106, width is 10, and there are two rectangles, so we will multiply it by 2. And the area of the ring is given by pi r square minus r square. I can open it by using the identity a square minus b square. So in one bracket I will be writing r minus r, in the other I will be writing r plus r. Now let us fill in the value. When I multiply all these three numbers, I will get 2120. This is 22 by 7. Capital R is 40 centimeter and this is 30. So that means you are getting 10 centimeter. And this is 40 plus 30 will give you 70. And therefore, children, when you cancel it, it will be 10 and the product is 2200, and therefore the total area of the track is 4320 meter, as the units are all given in meter, so it should be meter. So that's all for today. Keep on doing the question yourself also to have good practice of solving them.